Hello everyone. My name is Shyam Pandran Shetty. I am a business consultant and plus running the Shetty Capital firm. My daughter is studying in RKL Galaxy International. She is in Auschwitz second standard. From nursery she is here only. I am very satisfied with RKL management and staff for being giving too much attention to her as individually as a class. I'm very happy by her progress. Every day I reach at 9, 10, 11 o'clock. Then also I ask daughter what happened in the school. She says me, Papa, today I learned this, I learned that. Even I'm from the Marathi background, we are from the Maharashtra, but I regularly speak with her Hindi and Marathi only.
Okay. So how did you like today's event?
Today's event it was feeling that okay, when I was in at school life on Teachers Day, 5th September, we used to become the teachers and we were to teach other students. So today, doctor taught me what is the now. So I got more feeling that means I had studied all noun because I am from the convent only. But my daughter today taught me what is the noun. In noun the places. I asked her the question, the mobiles come under the which category of noun? She said the place. So today's event was very nice.
Did you agree with the teaching techniques that we are following? Because that is how our students taught you today.
Madam,